Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to show you how to remove the factory rear bumper on a 2020 Ram 2500. For this operation, I will be using a fastener removal tool, an electric impact driver, and a 15mm socket. Now don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so right now we're underneath the rear bumper on the driver's side. We've got a main harness that's coming down that's attached to the truck. We need to disconnect these two harnesses. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take a fastener removal tool and pop this apart. All right, now to take this apart here, we're going to pop up on this tab, and then we can pry this back. I want to pull it all the way back. Once it's all the way back, it disengages and you can pull it apart like so. This one here, we need to pop down this tab. Once that tab is down, we can then squeeze here and disconnect there. All right, next we've got these two bolts we're going to remove with a 15mm. When we're done with that, on the passenger side, the exact same place, we've got two more that we can take out as well. Okay, now with the license plate pulled off, we'll expose two more bolts. They have nuts on there. Those are going to come off also with a 15mm. All right, now we can just pull the bumper off the back of the truck. Well, that concludes the removal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, as always, call the experts or visit us online.